What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Crystal and welcome to my beauty channel. Today's video we are going to be doing this look right here, and I'm obsessed with it because it's so simple but yet it has a pop of color with the wing liner and this hair right here. I'm liking it, but I have a review on it, so please look down in the description box and the link to this wig will be down there. You'll learn about what I like, what I don't like, what I did to make it a little bit more realistic. In this video, we are going to be using the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina palette, as well as their liners. These two liner quads were actually sold out on Sephora and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get them. So I went over to Anastasia's website and they were in stock, so I picked up both of them. I wanted to do something simple so I can kind of learn how to play with these liners. I'm not a big fan of liner, but when I saw this I was like, oh my god, this is so perfect. Like, use pop of colors and kind of learn how to do wing liner again and some other like graphic liners. And I used her liner brush, which is so easy to use. This is her A28 brush and it's so thin that it's literally like using a pencil. It's so easy, and I could have done a bigger liner, but I wanted to keep it a little bit more subtle because I have this wig and I didn't want to like overpower it. But these two liners, you have to use water to activate them. They're just so gorgeous. The one I used today was this pink one right here. In this quad they have the pink, yellow, and green, and in the next one they have the orange, white, and purple, which I'm like, I can't wait to play around with this more, and I can't wait to play a little bit more with this palette. This palette is just so gorgeous, you guys. Like, it's a little dirty because I was just using it, but it comes with this big ass mirror. Like, do you see? You can see like everything that's going on my table. This is what the palette looks like. It's just so gorgeous. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification button down below so you're gonna miss out any of my videos, and thumbs up this video if you enjoy, and let me know if you were able to pick up these products. Like I mentioned, I will leave down in the description box below the wig, all about this wig, and also everything that I use on my face today. This is going to be a voiceover video because I was watching my little Netflix, and yeah, so I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Let's get right into it.